डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू गुरुवर्या एकेडमी। दोस्तों, आज के इस सेशन में हम आपके फोर्थ यूनिट में से फोर्थ चैप्टर माय फाइनेंशियल करियर इसका जो वर्कशॉप है वो देखने वाले हैं। तो फिर चलिए वर्कशॉप की ओर बढ़ते हैं। क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट, फाइंड फ्रॉम द लेसन द एंटोनिम्स ऑफ द फॉलोइंग। तो हमें लेसन में से क्या करना है, नीचे दिए गए जो वर्ड्स हमें दिए गए हैं तो उनके जो एंटोनिम्स है, मतलब जो अपोजिट वर्ड्स है, वो हमें यहाँ पे ढूंढ के लिखना है। सो वी विल डू इट फर्स्ट, आफ्टरवर्ड्स, बिफोर हैंड, नेक्स्ट स्पेंडिंग, सेविंग, थर्ड केयरफुल, केयरलेस और इररिस्पॉन्सिबल, फोर्थ विथड्रॉ, डिपॉजिट, नेक्स्ट कॉन्फिडेंटली, टिमिडली, एंड लास्टली cheerful, spiritual. Here we complete the first question. Now move towards the question number second, which is the fill in the blanks. तो हमें यहाँ पे appropriate words का use करके जो blanks है उन्हें fill up करना है. Question is that fill in the blanks choosing the appropriate verb or idiom from word or idiom from the lesson. तो हमें lesson के मदद से ये blanks fulfill करने हैं. First, the detective solved the mysterious crime. Second, in the examination, I did not know the answer, so I wrote something. Third one, he was dizzy and he shambled into the room. Next, while arguing with his elder, he had become an irresponsible idiot. उसके बाद, the sight of a snake rattles here. And lastly, as soon as I crossed the threshold of my home, I greet my family. Here we complete the second question too. Now move towards the question number third. What does it say? Question 3. Using the following points, frame a character sketch of the narrator. Support each character trait with instances from the lesson. तो हमें लेसन में जो कुछ भी कैरेक्टर्स दी गए हैं उनके बारे में कुछ डिस्क्राइब करना है, मतलब उनका जो कैरेक्टर स्केच है वो हमें हमारे खुद के वर्ड्स में यहाँ पे लिखना है. फर्स्ट, डिफिडेंट एंड टिमिड. आंसर, द नरेटर वाज अ डिफिडेंट एंड टिमिड पर्सन दैट एवरीथिंग अबाउट द बैंड मेड हिम नर्वस, सो ही शैम्बल्ड इनटू द बैंड. नेक्स्ट, अनयूजुअल बिहेवियर. आंसर, he behaved in an unusual manner by unnecessarily asking about the manager whether he could talk with him alone. He made the manager think initially that he was a detective and was a very rich man later. In fact, he was so nervous that he did not even know what he was doing and what he was writing. Next one, ignorant about banking. Answer, the narrator was quite ignorant about banking because he assumed that the bank manager was the person he needed to see to open an account. He also did not know how to write a check correctly. Next is nervous and careless. So we have to describe about it. He had been nervous after talking with the manager, and in his tension, he enters into an iron cell, mistaking it for the door. He carelessly made a mistake by writing 56 instead of $60. Even after realizing the mistake, he did not try to correct it. Next and the last one, that is economical. Answer, as his salary was increased by $50 each month, he wanted to deposit the extra money in the bank. In the end, he saved enough to keep it in a silver dollar in a shop. Here we complete the third question, in which we have described the situation or about that situation or feelings. Now move towards the next question, which is question number 4. Rewrite the following in indirect speech. हमें यहाँ पे कुछ sentences दी गए हैं and उन्हें हमें indirect speech में convert करना है. First sentence, can I see the manager? I said certainly, said the accountant. इसका indirect speech है, I asked the accountant if I could see the manager and he replied that I could certainly see him. Second is, good morning. I said, step into the safe. Come out, said the manager coldly. And इसका जो indirect speech है वो है, I wish the manager a good morning. morning and stepped into the safe, so he coldly asked me to come out. Next sentence. Dash dash. The words seem to mean let us do this painful thing while the fit is on us. And इसका indirect speech है. The words seem to mean that we should do that painful thing while the fit was on us. Next sentence. What are you drawing it all out again? He asked in a surprise. Yes, the whole thing, I said. Answer. He asked in surprise if I was drawing it all out again, and I confirmed that I was drawing out the whole thing. Last sentence. How will you have it? He said. In 50s, I said. इसका indirect speech आता है. He asked me how he would have it, and I replied that I should have it in 50s. Here we complete the fourth question too. Now move towards the question number 5th. And what does question number 5 says? Read the statement, write your views first and counter view later in 2 separate passages. तो हमें एक स्टेटमेंट दिया गया है, उसे रीड करना है, उसके बारे में आपके जो व्यूज है वो फर्स्ट लिखने हैं, आफ्टरवर्ड्स आपको सेकंड पैसेज में क्या लिखने हैं, उसके जो काउंटर व्यूज है वो लिखने हैं. The statement is online or net banking is better than going personally to the bank for transactions. इसके बारे में आप आपके जो खुद के व्यूज है वो भी लिख सकते हैं. I have given a model answer. Views. Today, one get access many banking services online with easy availability. Smartphones. Online banking has been quite popular. An online account is easy to operate and convenient because one can easily pay the bills and transfer the funds between accounts from nearly anywhere in the world. One does not have to stand in a queue to pay off your bills. It saves one's time. Net banking is available all the time, even no holidays when the banks are closed. The only thing one needs to have internet connection. The funds get transferred very fast from one account to another. One can manage several accounts easily through net banking. One can keep an eye on one's transactions and one's balance all the time and get to know about any fraud or threat to your account before it can pose any severe damage. So I think online or net banking is better than going personally to the bank for transactions. Afterwards, इसका जो counter view है वो हमें लिखना है. Now we will see about counter views. The uses of internet banking isn't easy for most of the people. If one doesn't have the facility of internet, it becomes difficult to do online transactions. Our country is not fully digitalized, so one has to go to the bank to withdraw the cash. Sometimes while doing online payment, the amount is deducted from one's account but not credited to the receiver due to low network. One has to solve the transaction related problems by visiting the bank officials personally, and it is better than to contact them online. It doesn't happen if one goes personally to the bank. One has to change the password frequently and has to remember it. And it is true that online accounts can also be hacked. So going personally to the bank for transactions is better than net banking. And in this way, we have completed the 5th question, and the last question, that is 6th question, is about reading. You have to read the given story. Okay, so in this way we have completed the workshop. छोटा सा workshop था वो हमने देख लिया है, समझ लिया है. I hope आपको यह समझ में आया होगा. अगर आपको इस ओवरऑल वर्कशॉप में कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो, परेशानी हो, डाउट हो तो कमेंट कीजिए. तो इसी तरह से इस चैप्टर से रिलेटेड जो अदर वीडियोस है वो देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, बाजू में दिखने वाले बेल आइकॉन पे प्रेस कीजिए, वहाँ पे ऑल कीजिए, ताकि वीडियो के बारे में आपको सभी नोटिफिकेशन मिलते रहे. इसी तरह से सभी क्लास के सभी सब्जेक्ट के वीडियो एक ही जगह पे देखने के लिए प्ले स्टोर पे जाइए, गुरबरिया एकेडमी सर्च कीजिए और हमारा यह एप्लीकेशन इंस्टॉल कीजिए. यह एप्लीकेशन सबके लिए बिल्कुल फ्री है. एप्लीकेशन इंस्टॉल करते समय अगर आपको कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो, परेशानी हो, तो हमारा जो ऑफिशियल नंबर है उस पर मैसेज कीजिए. ताकि हमारी टीम आपको एप्लीकेशन इंस्टॉल करने में मदद कर सके। इस एप्लीकेशन में आपको चैप्टर से रिलेटेड रिकॉर्डेड वीडियोस, लाइव लेक्चर्स, उसी के साथ साथ नोट्स, असाइनमेंट, टेस्ट भी मिल जाएंगे। तो पढ़ाई के लिए इस एप्लीकेशन का ज्यादा से ज्यादा उपयोग कीजिएगा। इस एप्लीकेशन में हमने चैट सेक्शन भी दिया है जिसके भीतर आप आपके सभी डाउट्स आपके जो अदर क्लासमेट्स हैं उनके साथ मिलकर ग्रुप डिस्कशन करके सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। वहाँ पे हमारे टीचर्स भी हैं, उनके साथ में डिस्कस करके आप अपने सभी डाउट्स क्लियर कर सकते हो। अगर आपको किसी भी प्रकार की एजुकेशनल हेल्प चाहिए तो उसके लिए आप हमारा जो ऑफिशियल नंबर है उस पर मैसेज कीजिए ताकि हमारी टीम आपको उस संदर्भ में मदद कर सके। तो दोस्तों आज के इस सेशन में हम यहीं पे रुकेंगे। जल्दी मिलेंगे अगले सेशन में नए वीडियो के साथ, नए चैप्टर के साथ और पोएम के साथ। तब तक के लिए बाय बाय दोस्तों, टेक केयर।